Hey guys, so I am still unpacking. Well, as I'm unpacking, I'm also doing the things that the house requires in order to make it more functional. But if you're thinking about investing, one of the big things that is really important to do are the things that are going to make it easy for your tenant. One of the things that I do is I put a tool rack here for any lawn tools or whatever things that they need to hang up. It's very helpful for me, but I also leave it for when my tenants move in, they have a place that they can use and make their garage more efficient. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So first of all, you need a stud finder, because if you're going to hang up pretty heavy stuff, you need to make sure that it's on a stud and that it's going to have all of the support that it needs. So as you guys can see, I actually already made marks here for mine. So the first thing you're going to do, so if we were down here, you're going to run it through and you see right where it starts. I actually mark it where it starts all the way to where it ends, so I know how big the stud is. In Texas, by code, they're 16 inches apart as opposed to 12 inches. But these look pretty close, so these might actually be closer to the 12 inches. Let's see. Yeah, so these are closer to 12 inches, but still are not at exactly 12 inches. So these are about the distance of 13, 14 inches apart. But the reason I say that is because a lot of the tools are set up for the normal code, which is 12. But in Texas, it's 16. So they actually have them closer than the code here in Texas is. As you guys can see, once I did my measurements here, I found the studs and I knew where they were. I actually made one over here too, so I could decide if I wanted to move it over, if I wanted to do it here. I settled on here, and then after that, you're going to make sure that you level it out, because once you put something super heavy, like a metal iron rack, the last thing you want to do is have to redo it. So mine is leveled right there, and it looks awesome. This is the rack that I chose. This is the last one that I purchased as well. It's really easy to install, but it is kind of heavy. So you want to definitely make your holes first, because if not, these screws are pretty big and they can damage your wall. So first I'm going to make the holes. We're going to see this in fast motion now. Not going anywhere. There you have it. And there you have it.